Hello everyone, my name is Kulpari Ahmed and I will be your Cyber Seniors presentator. So today we're going to be talking about a website builder called WordPress. WordPress is a content management system, or CMS for short, that allows you to host and build websites. WordPress contains plugin architecture and a template system, so you customize any website to fit your business, blog, portfolio, or online store. How does it work? WordPress works by combining some core files, a database, files that you add or install, and a dashboard to let you manage the whole thing. With some patience, you can learn basic WordPress skills and have your website online in very little time. So for getting started for WordPress, WordPress is easy for beginners, yet powerful for developers. WordPress is a very easy platform to get started with. It's very easy to set up and run. Most web hosts come with what are called one-click auto-installers. WordPress is as simple to use as a word processor, like Microsoft Word. Is WordPress free to use? Yes. WordPress.com is free to get started. It also offers additional services with paid membership. WordPress paid plans. So the two paid plans mentioned here are called Personal and Premium. So Personal is best for personal use. It costs $5 Canadian per month and it's billed yearly. So to start with Personal, you'll get free domain for 1 year, best-in-class hosting, remove WordPress.com ads, click payments, and more. For Premium, it's best used for freelancers. It costs $10 Canadian per month, billed yearly. So to start with Premium, you'll get all personal account features, earn ad revenue, upload videos, and Google Analytics integration. There are also more advanced and expensive business and e-commerce plans tailored to small businesses and online stores. To see the full details of the different plans, you can click on that link there. So, what can you do with WordPress? Create a blog, build an affiliate shop, let users book online, create real estate listings, physical or digital goods, create a directory website with maps, start a forum, rally your readers around a cause, or invoice a client. Here are features about WordPress. You can create a robust website or a blog or a combination of both. Personal blog, portfolio, business site. It's up to you. You can start for free, upgrade for advanced customization, security, and SEO tools, or stay free. Add a custom domain to carve out your own space on the web and manage it right from WordPress.com. Over 42% of the web runs on WordPress. WordPress.com is home to everyone, from brand new bloggers and entrepreneurs to major brands like Time, TED, and Spotify. WordPress website examples. Many notable figures and organizations have used WordPress to host their websites, including but not limited to the Obama Foundation, Angry Birds, Creative Ad Awards, OUAM, Analytica Projects, and Animal Logic. So here's how to create your website with WordPress. So step 1, choose a domain. Step 2, purchase web hostings and domain. This is optional. Step 3, install WordPress. Step 4, choose a WordPress theme. Step 5, install your WordPress theme. Step 6, configure your WordPress theme. Step 7, publish your first pages. Product, domain name. This is when you come up with a name for your website on WordPress. that they will give you one free option, but the rest costs money monthly. Website Builder. This is when you build the layout of your website, what it will look like for viewers. Create a blog. This is where you go when you want to write down your ideas, thoughts, or anything you want. Professional email. This is when you make your email based on your website. Wordpress hosting. This is where you go if you need any help or have any questions. Accessing WordPress. You can use WordPress on any device you would like. All you have to do is go to www.wordpress.com. Realize your vision. Dozens of themes. Choose from hundreds of customizable themes with new additions weekly. Mobile friendly. Create a mobile friendly site with a click or choose from a selection of responsive themes that look great everywhere. Fast friendly support. Get expert help. The team of happiness engineers is standing by. Help when you want it. Support is available 24/7 via email and our community forums. For folks with a paid plan, happiness engineers are available via live chat for real-time assistance. Tell your story. Write without a worry. Our editor is fast, intuitive, and saves your work every few seconds so you never miss a word. Upload or embed media. Drag and drop images into posts and pages. Create designer-worthy photo galleries. Embed audio, video, and more. Mobile desktop app. Update your site from anywhere with mobile and desktop app for iOS, Android, Mac, Windows, and Linux systems. Own your content. Whatever you create on WordPress.com is yours to keep. Export your content at any time. Wherever life takes you, your content follows. Find your fans. Built-in social sharing. Automatically send new posts to Twitter, Facebook, and more, and add social tools to help readers share. In-depth stats. Learn more about your visitor, where they're from, what they read, when they visit, with rich stats. Search engine optimized. Make it easy for new fans to find you with built-in sitemaps and other SEO tools. All you have to do is publish. The biggest community of online publishers. WordPress.com has millions of users. The WordPress.com reader helps them find you and lets you find fascinating resources. WordPress.com support is to help you. All you have to do is to type your questions and they will answer it. News. Click on the news section for podcasts to listen to and updates. You can make an app too. Another option for mobile app creation is WP Mobile App. This quality plugin enables you to convert your WordPress site into an app for Android, iOS, or both. It's easy to use with configuration and customization options available right in your WordPress dashboard. Do you need an app to make a website? If your goal is to offer mobile-friendly content to a wide range of people, then a website is probably the way to go. However, if you want to engage better, interact with, and communicate with your readers or customers, a mobile app presents itself as a better option. Paid plan. So over here, we have two paid plans. We have the personal and the e-commerce. So personal is again best for small businesses. It costs 33 Canadian dollars per month, billed yearly. To start with the personal business, you'll get free domain for 1 year, best-in-class hosting, remove WordPress.com ads, collect payments, and more. E-commerce is great for online stores. It costs 59 Canadian dollars per month, billed yearly. You can start with e-commerce for free domain for 1 year, best-in-class hostings, and lots more. For more information, you can visit that website up there. For more details on getting started with WordPress, this website provides you with extra step-by-step instructions to walk you through the process, quick and easy. Alternative website builders. If you do not want to use WordPress.com, then you can use Wix. To watch a past webinar on Wix, click there. You can also use Blogspot, Zyro, and Weebly. All right, I'll be giving a live demo on WordPress right now. So to go to WordPress.com, simply click on www.wordpress.com, click enter. All right, so when you click on www.wordpress.com in your search bar, you'll be taken to this page. Click on the Start Your Website option right on the first page. It's probably the first thing you'll see in the big blue box. It says Start Your Website. Click on that. Okay, it'll give you an option to create your account. So you'll just have to fill in the information and it'll help you create your account. But if you already have your account, just click on the login option up here. It says login. Login. And then just put in your email address. And then you'll log in. So once you're logged in, it will give you the option to choose a domain. So you can enter a site's name or some descriptive keywords to get started. So let's say you want to start your website on ice cream. Yeah, you're going to click on that. You're going to click on ice cream. Oh, and it's going to give you a lot of options. So there's some options that are recommended that are cost you. This icecream.ca is free for the first year, but it costs $20 later. Icecream.hockey, there's a bunch of options. But you're just gonna, if you want free, you're just gonna choose on the one that's completely free. Most of these options are free for the first year, but then you'll have to pay. So we're just gonna click on the free option. We're gonna select that. And then it'll give you options if you wanna like update your website to personal, premium, monthly, premium, business, or e-commerce. And you can do that if you want, but you don't have to. You can just click on start with a free website and it'll just give you the free site option. It will give you a bunch of options to where you will start. You can write, build, start. I already have an existing website before, so I'm just going to go there because that one is easier to manage. So I'm going to go back to my sites. If you already have an existing site, they're here. So I'm going to click on the Cyber Seniors Lime demo. There's 2 ice cream websites, but I'm just going to click on the Cyber Seniors one. So here you go. This is your homepage for your website. The first thing you're going to do is give your website a name. On the right-hand side of the website, you'll see the site setup option. Under it, it'll give you a bunch of options such as give your site a name, update your homepage, customize your site menu, etc. You're going to click on give your site a name. Once you do that, it will take you to here. Name your site. Currently, the site name is just the Cyber Seniors email, but that's not what you want to name your site. So you're going to click on name your site. And right here where it says site title, you're going to name your website. So I'm going to name my website The Ice Cream Shop. I can add a site tagline like, I like ice cream and ice cream is good. There you go. I can choose the site icon if I want, I can put in a picture of an ice cream here by clicking on change, but I'm just going to save this for now because this is easier. So once you're done that, you can click on save settings up here and then just click back to my homepage. Once you get back home, you can see that now your ice cream shop, your website is named The Ice Cream Shop. There you go. Now you've named your website. So the next thing you're going to do after you name your website is you're going to create your website page. So you're going to click on write on the top right-hand side of the website corner. It's right next to this little bell icon where it says write. You're going to click on write. It's going to take you to this page where you're going to add your own page and make your page about whatever you want. So the first thing you're going to do when it gives you this free blank space to work with, you're going to add the title of what your website is about. So my site, I said I liked ice cream. So I'm going to choose chocolate ice cream as the title of the post/page I'm making on this website. I have a bunch of options right here. Where it says add block, currently I can only just type in a paragraph, but let's say it says add block here. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on browse all. it's going to give me a bunch of different options I can do. Now I can either just write a paragraph, I can add another heading if I want, I can add a list, a quote, a classic, a quote, whatever I want. The options are endless. They're giving me a lot of templates here to work with. But for demo's sake, I'm just going to click on paragraph. Since I clicked on paragraph, it was always in paragraph mode. I'm just going to type a paragraph of whatever I want. And let's say you've typed in your paragraph, right? You're like, this is it. I need another heading or I need another title. You're going to just click on the enter key. And it's going to give you options. Now you can add pictures if you want, or you can add a gallery code, whatever you want. Once you're done like making your website page, whatever, and you're satisfied with it, you're going to see up right here at the right hand side of the corner, it says publish. So you're going to click on that. Now it's going to give you a bunch of options before you publish, where it's just going to be like, are you ready to publish? Double check your settings. So you can choose who you want this visibility to for your site for visibility to be. So do you want everyone public to view you, or do you only want your site admins to view you? You can click on that. So I'm going to keep the visibility public because I want a lot of people to view my site. I can publish it immediately or I can delay it. I'm like, I don't want it published. So I'm going to change the time here for 4:30. Like done that. There we go. Now the publish time is there. I can add tags if I want. I can share this post if I want. Now that I've done all of my like double checking, I can just schedule it. And now it's going to be published on the time that I've given it. So that's how you publish a website. Let's say you want to edit your web page because you feel like you messed up or you did something wrong. You're going to go to your publish section. And you're going to click on these three dots here. It's going to give you the edit option. So you're going to click on edit. And it'll take you to the web page, and now you can edit your like site if you wanted to. There's another site here that I made. I can edit this however I want. Like if I want to change a picture, I'm going to click on picture changing option, or like add a picture if I want. If I want to rewrite something, I'm just going to click on here. And it's giving me the option to either edit, delete, remove post content. So I don't want that content there. Once I've finished like updating it, I'm just going to click on update and I will update immediately. So now there's an updated version on the published page. That's a bunch of what you can do with your site. I'll just show you a bunch of the customizing site on this menu bar here. So let's say you want to see the stats of your website, like you published your page, you want to see who's viewing this, like how many people view my website. You can click on the stats option and it'll show you. So currently nobody's viewed my website. If they were viewing this, you would be able to see who viewed it, how many visitors, how many likes, and how many comments per day. If you wanted to change it to weeks, you can see that with weeks, 2 months, and 2 years, you can do the same. If you want to upgrade your website, you can click on upgrades. And again, it'll give you the personal option, the premium option, the business option, and the e-commerce option, each with varying different like prices to them. So if your website that you currently created is for like personal use, you can just upgrade that. It's for premium, you can upgrade that. The business, you can upgrade that. Or e-commerce, you can upgrade that. Whichever one suits to you, you can upgrade that and you can pay the price. If you want to see your emails in your inbox, you can click on your inbox and it'll show you all the emails you'll get here from whoever views your website, if they're your customers and etc., or your fans. If you want to see your posts, you can click here. It will show you all the posts you published. So currently I published this one thing. I have 2 drafts sitting here for chocolate ice cream, and I have 1 scheduled draft here for chocolate ice cream that will show up at 4:30 p.m. If you want to see media, if you have like posted images or like documents, videos, audios, you can see them here. I haven't really posted anything here, so there isn't much to show you. If you want to see all the pages you've published or all the pages you've written or done, so I have published 1 page and I have 1 draft. So I only have published 2 pages currently. one published page and one sitting in my draft waiting to be published. If you want to read the comments or see the comments that have been left on your website / your pages, you can see them here. Currently, there are no comments because nobody is really viewing this. But yeah, that's a bunch of like options on your menu site. So if you want to like change your appearance, like you customize your themes, you can choose that. So you can either start with a template here. So like there's like blank canvases like for certain things like zoologist, Laporte, Glenn, Stigler. If you want to use any of these, you can click on them in the website. You can start using them in your website. So if you want to use the Bansbury one, you can click on that. And then you can design your website like this if you wanted to. With all the template is here, you just have to edit it in with your own information. You can activate this design for free. There are some designs that do cost money. Beware of that. But yeah, that's the themes. So plugins are again either for free or for money, but they're basically they give you like optimized WordPress site using options. So this is a Yoast SEO WordPress plugin. You can either use this. There's some for free and then there's some for money, but like the majority of the ones I'm seeing are being free. So like maybe they're all free. You can like have multiple users here. So currently there's like one other person, the person who made this page here, the Cyber Seniors demo. But you can add a new user if you want. There's a bunch of tools here that you can use for like marketing, building your own logo, building your design, graphic designs. It'll take you to these other websites that you can use to like, make your website a bit better. And then you can go to your settings and it'll just take you to your homepage and you can like update your like website. So you can add your site address. You can either customize your own site address, you can customize your language, the time zone. And once you've done all of that, you can click launch your site and it will launch your site for the world to see. So my site hasn't been launched yet because it's hidden behind coming soon notice, but I'm not sure if I should launch it or not, so I'm not going to launch it. But if you're done with it, you can just simply launch it and your site will be available for everyone to see. Okay, so if you click on my page where it says ice cream shop up here, right next to the little home button, this is what my website looks like. It looks pretty bland because I didn't really put much of an effort in here, but it shows the one post I published. Again, it shows my ice cream shop and my logo or my I like ice cream. And if there was more to it, you could scroll down. If you wanted to edit it again from here, you can just click on edit and it would allow me to edit my website. Again, I don't really want to edit it, so I've already shown you, but there is another way to edit the website. You can also click on visit site and it will just show it like this. So I can launch site from here as well if I want, or I can just go back from the previous place that I showed you and launch it from there. But once I've done that, that's how my website looks. I'm just gonna click on this and log out. Thank you for listening. If you'd like to learn this lesson with a Cyber Seniors mentor, please go to www.cyberseniors.org or call 1-844-217-3057 to register for a one-on-one phone session. We also host weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Times on Thursdays. Thank you for listening.